Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about skincare, one of my favorite topics to discuss here on YouTube. And a lot of you wanted me to recommend a nice vitamin C serum. So this video is going to be about Juicy Chemistry's vitamin C serum. I'm sure most of you already know about Juicy Chemistry and how I have been using their products for almost 4 years now. I think more than 4 years now, and I really love their products, be it hair care, skincare, body care, personal care, whatever products they launch. All the products work really beautifully well for me. So they launched a range of actives, I think towards the beginning of this year, and I was one of the few influencers who got their hands on the product before it was officially launched. So this is the vitamin C bottle I received initially. It is like before, like not in testing phase, this was like a finalized sample, and they sent it to me for me to try it out before sharing my thoughts with you. And after the product was officially launched, they sent me the product, like the bottle with label and everything. So I have been testing this product out for more than 3 months now. This bottle contained a lot of products, so it lasted me good 2.5 months, and then I started using this one and it again lasted me good 1.5 months. So overall I have been testing out this particular vitamin C serum for almost 3.5 months now. So I received this product, like the sample one, in December, and then I started using it every morning because that's when I like to apply my vitamin C serum. I like to use it in the morning. So let's talk about the packaging of Juicy Chemistry Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It comes in this nice glass bottle which is tinted. It has a pump. So the size is perfect for travel, and it also comes with a cap for the pump. Now, as you can see, serum has a runny texture and it feels quite hydrating on the skin. So my skin is very sensitive. I have already told you guys a number of times my skin is dry and very sensitive, and I was a bit apprehensive when I received it in the mail because my skin just freaks out, and I was not sure whether it's going to accept and work well, like behave well with such a potent serum, because this serum is plant based and it has all potent ingredients. So after using it for 2.5 months, I can very well vouch for its efficacy and how gentle the serum is. It is very nourishing and moisturizing. So I started using it like in peak winter months, like in December, Jan, Feb, when my skin goes through extreme dry phase, and it saved my skin because it is actually very nourishing.
So this serum contains biological ascorbic acid from Kakadu plum.
This serum is loaded with hydrophilic phytonutrients that protect the skin against photo damage. It also inhibits tyrosinase and boosts collagen synthesis. It is rich in ascorbic acid and antioxidants like gallic and algaic acid that help reduce dark spots, blemishes, and brighten up the skin. Now with skincare, it's always advisable to use a product for a good 1 to 2 months to see results, because skincare is not magic. No matter how potent a serum is, it's going to take time to work on the skin and show visible results. So my experience has been really wonderful with this particular serum. It has this water-like runny texture, so it applies and absorbs pretty quickly into the skin, and at the same time it moisturizes my skin really well. My skin feels very soft and nicely moisturized after each use, and after using it for such a long time now, I can definitely see an overall improvement in my skin's texture. Like I mentioned, I used it in peak winters, but my skin did not become flaky or dry when I used it. As far as pigmentation is concerned, I do not have acne or acne marks. My skin is pretty clear, but I did have pigmentation on my forehead and around my mouth, and after using it for almost 3.5 months, I can definitely see an improvement in overall tone of my skin. This area doesn't look that dark, and a lot of you guys asked me when I do my Instagram stories and posts, you guys asked me what I've done to reduce the pigmentation, and this is the product I have been using. This serum definitely works, and it needs time, but it definitely works on the pigmentation. I'm sorry for the change in light. One of the ring lights has gone bonkers, like it's flickering, so I've just switched it off. So we'll continue with the review because I don't want to delay it any further. So I take around 1 full pump, which is more than enough for my entire face and neck, but if you have oily to combination skin, you can take half a pump, but for my dry skin it worked brilliantly. So the vitamin C in this serum has been sourced from the plant, so it is not a lab made or chemically like artificially manufactured. So this has hydrophilic phytonutrients, which means everything that is there in the serum has been potently derived or taken from the plant. So this has vitamin C extracted from kakadu plums, so which makes it pretty potent. So the next product from their range of serums is this revitalizing under eye serum. So this revitalizing eye serum is really good if you struggle with tired eyes. I do not have too much pigmentation, or you can say dark circles around my eyes, but I was definitely looking for a product that could reduce the puffiness, because when I wake up my eyes become really puffy. The under eye area looks really puffy, and of course with the age I started noticing like wrinkles around my eyes a little bit, and overall the area around my eyes is dry. So definitely this serum has helped me in all these aspects. As you can see, the eye serum comes in this sleek glass bottle with a roller ball applicator. This is quite user friendly and feels cooling under the eyes. It dispenses the right amount of product which you can spread and massage using your ring finger. So now the key ingredient in revitalizing under eye serum is yerba mate, which is a rich source of theobromine and caffeine. This naturally activated serum is formulated to depuff tired under eyes. It increases moisture retention and it also prevents oxidative damage around the eyes. It also contains glycyrrhizin licorice that helps in brightening under eye skin, and it also improves the overall appearance of fine lines. So I received this one first, this sample, along with this one like non-labeled vitamin C serum first to try out, and then I received the final product like with all the labels and nice looking packing. Now I have been using it for almost like 2.5-3 months now, and I have seen significant improvement in overall the moisture around my eyes. My skin around my eyes looks very well nourished and moisturized now. This serum is not thick. I'll quickly show you a swatch. Similar to the vitamin C serum, this is also nice, a very nice light serum. As you can see, it is not greasy, it is not thick, it is not sticky. Your makeup goes really well on the top of it, and it is very easy to apply because the packaging is very user friendly. So just roll it around your eyes and just tap it with your ring finger. And after using it for such a long time, I have definitely seen improvement in the overall puffiness that I was complaining about on my under eye area, and also the overall hydration around my eyes. So also my eyelid is dark, and this contains licorice like I mentioned before, and licorice is known to reduce pigmentation. So I'm hoping that after using it for another 2 months, I will be able to see a significant reduction in the pigmentation of my eyelids. But yes, I have definitely seen a slight improvement in the darkness of my lids. So if you have dark area around your eyes like dark circles, then you will have to be very patient and consistent with any product that you are going to use, because the pigment doesn't form overnight. So if it has taken time to form, it is going to take time to lighten up also. So if you are interested in organic and plant-based actives, then do try Juicy Chemistry's range of actives. I will highly recommend you guys to check out these two, the two I have reviewed in today's video, the vitamin C brightening serum and the revitalizing under eye serum. I am going to pick their regenerating serum, which is mildly exfoliating and perfect for aging, and I will pick it, use it and share my experience with you all very soon. Meanwhile, I'm going to link both vitamin C serum and the revitalizing under eye serum in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review video. I have been using these for almost like 3.5-4 months now, and I can really recommend them. I have tried so many Juicy Chemistry products and reviewed them on my channel, and the products really work. All you have to be really patient and consistent with their use so that you can see the desired results. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.